Meaning of God-given.
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 God-given. The term God-given refers to something that is believed to be given or bestowed by a divine power, such as God. It suggests that the thing in question is a blessing or gift from a higher power. This phrase is often used to describe natural talents, abilities, or privileges that are thought to be innate and not acquired through one's own efforts. For example, some people believe that intelligence, beauty, or wealth are God-given qualities. The term also implies a sense of gratitude and humility toward the higher power for the blessings received.